Hi everyone and welcome to our business case about issues surrounding Tesla's company. My name is Shaki and these are my team members, Eric, Zihao Zhu or James, and Shi Po Chang, also known as Paul. My name is Shaki and I'm the primary speaker for this presentation. Let me ask you a question. Who here likes cars? Let me ask you another one. What do you look for in a good car? Is it something like the one on the top or the one on the bottom? Well, I look for a car that works well, that I can trust it works properly so that I can drive it safely. I personally prefer the above one. Anyway, Tesla has great cars, but they do not always work properly. Our business case will aim to improve this issue. Our business case is mainly aimed at Tesla's company and people interested in buying Tesla cars. The aim of our business case is to improve car quality and reduce accidents. In addition, we look to improve production rates, decision making, and customer satisfaction. This is the 5 whys process we use to get to know the problem better. We asked ourselves the question why to get to the bottom of the problem. The news shows bad quality of the cars. This was because the driver was in an accident. The driver was in an accident because of an uncontrollable system. The system was uncontrollable because it was not working the way it should have been. The brake was not working because it was bugged. This is the root problem we found from this process. The issue on the table is that Tesla's car quality is a challenge for the company. Because they manufacture cars very fast, it is very hard to deliver high quality cars for their customers. Poor quality is not good, especially for their customers. In addition, in some places where there is high demand for Tesla, the production of cars is very low, and in rural areas, for example Alice Springs, it is a challenge to find supercharge stations to refuel their cars. This problem has no doubt affected many people. We need to consider the point of view of the customers as well as the view of the organization. This problem has affected the customers as poor quality has resulted in bad reviews from customers with a negative experience. Because of this problem, customers would not want to buy much of their products. In some places, like we mentioned earlier, it is hard for customers to refuel their car. The organization is affected by reducing sales and revenue. In addition, there will be less employees due to this issue. If people do not like the quality of Tesla, they would rely more on a different company, for example BMW, Mercedes-Benz or Porsche. This would be a big challenge for Tesla. There are many ways in which Tesla can improve their company quality and production rate. First and foremost, they should invest more money in better technology. This can be used for car upgrades that would improve the performance. Secondly, they should build more gigafactories. This will allow them to expand their car capacity so that they can produce more cars faster. Lastly, they can also improve branding. This can be done through the use of adverts. Another way this can be achieved is through online ordering systems, where customers can order normal or upgraded cars. Even though investing in more technology will upgrade the cars, these improvements might not actually be what the customer wants from the company. This means it's going to be hard to get back some money they have invested in. Some might believe that online ordering is unreal. People with these views might also prefer to look at the products in store and easily make decisions as opposed to online ordering. Our solution is not the only one that can help Tesla. Obviously, there are other alternatives to solve this problem. For instance, they can encourage customers to buy more eco-friendly cars instead of hydrogen cars. Tesla can also reduce the price of their cars rather than investing more money in upgrades. Customers who do not want to spend too much money might want to buy a car that costs less. Another alternative Tesla has is safety features for their cars to help reduce the number of accidents. They have developed this after collecting data from past user experiences. This business case could have certain problems that will affect it. For instance, depending on the country or region, there might be a different level of customer demand for electric cars. This means that there is confusion regarding how many cars should be made. In addition, after money has been invested in upgrades, it is a concern that Tesla might not get some of that money back, which means that they get less than what they have already put in to improve quality. Even though there are some problems we have considered, we believe this solution is good. This is because we expect it to help the customers as well as the company in the following ways. Customers will trust Tesla more with better quality cars. This will improve customer satisfaction. Customers will also give more positive reviews. The company will be able to improve its production and quality. In addition, they will find it easier to retain their customers. There are many ways in which we will know that our business case meets the needs. Some of these include more traffic from Tesla cars, because more people are supporting Tesla by buying their cars. In addition, the better quality will lead to much less complaints and accidents from driving. Finally, their sales will also increase by a lot. Tesla will receive a good return of investment from increased traffic when more people buy their products. We worked out the ROI to be approximately 102 billion minus 5.7 billion, which is 16.79. We expect that the results or outcomes of this business case are an efficient solution that will produce more cars and also reduce the number of accidents. Managers are also able to make better or smarter decisions with ease. Finally, employees can give the customers products that are as close as possible to what they want. For example, a car that actually works properly. There are many expected benefits from our business case and solution. These include capacity is expanded by the use of gigafactories. These will improve the rate of production. These will also be useful, particularly in places where not many cars are produced. Supercharge stations will benefit people who can't find the charging station in certain areas. More production and better quality means more people will buy the cars, leading to more sales. The business case is important to improve Tesla's confidence among their customers. This will redefine their brand, business model, and help them expand their market. It is important that we make this affordable using supply chains. We need to construct a gigafactory to make sure we can deliver products to the customer efficiently. To make sure we meet the expectations, Tesla should expand localized design, which involves engineering. This is the first part of the steps taken to implement our solution. This involves the online ordering system and gigafactory construction. For the online system, we need to hire web developers and the design team. They need to interview users and understand what they need before moving to the design phase. This will be followed by planning of the design. Then they will test the prototype with users. For the gigafactory, we need to have people with skills to construct it, like engineers. Then we need to use money to purchase upgrades. This will be followed by expanding the storage of the factory and building the supercharge station. During the month of May, we will plan the project and work on the online system with the design team. In the beginning of June, we will expand the gigafactories and supercharge stations. In summary, we looked at the problem in more depth, which was the poor quality of the cars. We did this using the 5 whys method, which helped us identify the root problem, which was plugged brakes. The solution we came up with was to upgrade the technology and build more gigafactories and supercharge stations. There were some issues we mentioned earlier, but in the merits section, we discussed how when less people complain about the cars and more people start buying, our solution will meet the requirements. We also used an ROI to check if Tesla is viable in the long run, which it is. With the right skills and KPIs, this solution will improve Tesla's company. These are our references. Thank you very much for listening. That is the end of our presentation.